Question 2. Matchsticks were used to make the following triangles. So we have figure 1, figure 2, and figure 3. Question A is, how many matchsticks were used in figure 6? So the first thing we need to do is find the type of number pattern that this is. So let's write the total number of matchsticks per figure. So for figure 1, we have 3 matchsticks. Figure 2, we have 5 matchsticks. And figure 3, we have 7 matchsticks. Okay, so we notice that every time the figure number increases, there are 2 sticks being added to the right-hand side. So at first we have this. Then for the next figure, we add 2 more. And for the next figure, we add 2 more. So there's always a addition of 2 as the figure number increases. So remember the formula, the common difference formula. It is common difference formula is an plus b equals to t, where b is a constant to be found. So our common difference equals to a equals to 3, because 3, not 3, 2. Because 3 plus 2 gives us 5, and 5 plus 2 gives us 7. So now that we have A, all we have to do is find B. So we can take any of these figures to calculate B. Let's say we take figure number 2. We will have A 2n, which is 2, plus B equals to T, which is the total number of matchsticks, which is 5 in this case. So B equals to 5 minus 4 equals to 1. So our formula for this question would be 2n plus 1 equals to t. So question A, how many matchsticks were used in figure 6? We find t equals to 2. So since it's figure 6, n equals to 6 plus 1. So 12 plus 1 equals to 13. So 13 matchsticks were used in figure 6. Okay, on to question B. How many triangles were formed with 37 matchsticks? So we notice that in figure 1, we have 1 triangle. For figure 2, we have 2 triangles. And figure 3, we have 3 triangles. So this question, in other words, is asking for the figure number in which there are 37 matchsticks. So figure number would be n. So we want to find n. Okay, so let's write it here. Okay, so we want to find n. Currently, we know our formula is 2n plus 1 equals to t. So this formula would be to find the total number of matchsticks used. So if we want to find n, let's rephrase this equation into 2n equals to t minus 1. So n equals to t minus 1 divided by 2. So now we can find n. So we are given t equals to 37. So n equals to 37 minus 1 divided by 2. This gives us 36 divided by 2, which is 18. So there were 18 triangles formed with 37 matchsticks. And this is your final answer.